That's the plan, anyway.
Plan. Now here's a question for your plan.
Yes.
Do we have any form of marking device
Yes.
that isn't a black pen?
No. It's a good job we're not drilling on black paint. Damn it! Almost as if you knew what you were talking about. No, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scratch the paint with the Allen key or something. This
You know, it'd be perfect.
is the front face bit, which normally sits about there. Here. I want to put a pump here and a pump here to fill up these areas because they look rather empty.
This is also normally hard drive caddy
Yeah.
as well.
Yep.
Holds 3 drives. That was the bottom one.
Two.
Just
That's a disk drive
Disk
thing,
drive,
which clearly gets used.
5 1/4 inch disk drives.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, and 3.5.
3.5 inch
Yes.
hard drives.
You can put SSDs in there.
2.5 inch SSDs.
Yeah, because it has the whole sliding bracket mount thing, which we've got over here.
Some there out there. Put safe so we didn't lose them. You know what I mean?
Here's one here.
Um,
Little sliding trays. There's SSDs in them. We'll explain what SSDs he's got later when we get to that part.
yeah, when we get that far, we'll do that. Okay, my plan did not work.
What was your plan?
The Allen key is not sharp enough to scratch metal. Who knew that a blunt Allen key was blunt?
We need a chalk.
Or you can hold it still and let me drill it.
I can see so many things wrong.
I can't. We'll go for this one. Think that's about the right size? I mean, it's only tiny. No, the next one up.
I'd like to point out for the drilling segment, we will be muting the mic so you guys don't hear it. Don't worry.
Yeah, we don't want to kill you with sound. If that's possible.
Especially since we're going to be like drilling here and the mic's like here.
Right, is that thick enough? Yes. Is it thick enough for the head to get pulled through? No. Okay, I have the drill bit.
Now here's an idea. Adjust this and try marking it with just the drill bit. You know, I think that's sharp enough to go through the metal.
That is almost a good idea, Simon.
I'm trying to find any idea that stops me from holding this, maybe on the drill going through me.
It won't go through you. I mean, it might nick you, but it won't go through you. What kind of use is that?
What?
It doesn't fit. The drill bit that came with the bloody little thing doesn't fit in the little thing. There's different bits that go in the end here that'll hold different size things.
He's learning his drill, boys.
The first time I've handled my tool. Leave me alone. Oh crap, I dropped it.
I must say,
No, still doesn't fit.
I'm quite pleasantly surprised with how well the stream's holding up. I don't really actually think of asking, what internet do you get up and down?
80 down, 40, 50 up.
That's good. Because I may be streaming at a nice 3500.
3500.
Yeah, 720 60 frames.
Aha, I got the thing to go in the what's it. I have located the right size thingy-mabob.
The thingy with the thingy with the thingy.
No, the what's it to go with the thingy. Not the thingy, the thingy.
The what's it for the thingy that goes in the drill.
Yeah, that's the one.
We have such good names.
This thingy goes onto here, so I can make sure it's nice and tight, doesn't fly out and stab anyone.
I'm noticing a problem.
What's that?
Called the drill.
What about it? Yeah, we got a plug there.
Yeah, go on. Go stand over there.
We can
Go stand over there.
see, be fine. I'll just move things.
Turn that off. Now go try and reach.
I'll move things. Be fine. We're organised, Mr. Simon. I don't know why I brought this in. We shouldn't have had this in yet.
No, that you brought in for no reason.
I know. I've established this. I've realised I'm an idiot. So what we'll do is we'll take this off the table.
Which I was already doing.
Yeah, and then we can move this over here. And we can manage it. Like professional human beings.
Professional's one word.
Human beings is another. Okay. I need you to hold that there.
Oh, you're about to start drilling?
Yes.
One done. We still have another like 7 to do.
Good news or bad news?
Good news.
The hole's drilled.
Bad news.
Doesn't fit.
Need a bigger hole.
Need a bigger hole.
So you need to go one size up.
Oh, Ba-ba-ba-bum-ba-bum. Right, so if I take this one out here, is there one? Have we got one bigger than this? Oh, I have to find that hole. That one doesn't look any bigger. Because it's not. It's the biggest one we got, Simon.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I don't know where the other set is.
So you just have to do a bit of a round.
A bit of a wiggle. Have a wiggle contest.
Drilling again. One down.
We done one.
7 to go.
Right, so now if I get this, put this on here.
He'll be back in a moment. He's going to grab something.
Doesn't look like it's going through. Uh-oh.
Oh, joys.
Stepping my game up.
This on its own could just probably go like...
Yeah, be right.
Now, please tell me you don't want to put that in that.
Yeah. Well, I kind of have to, don't I?
I so can't see anything going wrong.
Good, because neither can I.
So, definitely 100% muting this one.
Yeah, probably a good plan. Okay.
Muting! Let there be light.
Because everyone needs to see.
So apparently our drill bits aren't working and use the big drill.
So we're going back to the small drill.
Yeah, I like that plan. Because that thing sounds like it's going to make me lose a fucking finger.
It's a drill, it's safe.
Sure. Tell me that when it's in your hand.
I will.
Like literally in your hand, not when you're holding it.
Oh no, because I'm not going to put it in my hand, I'll put it in your hand. And then I'll still tell you it's safe. Just not with me. Okay, so we'll try this one again. Unplug that one, make sure it's turned off, yeah. Okay, plug this one back in.
And put it in.